Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The secret to our signature smoothness lies in the conching process. We blend the roasted nibs with fine sugar and
maintaining exact temperatures ensures that the chocolate has a perfect snap and shine.
Notice the rich, smooth consistency forming, the secret to perfect chocolate.
Check the viscosity on panel 3. It's fluctuating again.
I see it. Adjusting the temperature now.
Every batch is refined and tested for perfect texture and taste.
Every bar is carefully guided along the line to ensure perfect alignment for packaging.
Automated precision ensures each chocolate reaches you in perfect condition, ready to delight.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
every box is carefully scanned and logged to ensure accurate delivery to stores worldwide.
From our factory to your hands, every chocolate journey is tracked and managed with precision.
And that's how chocolate is made, from start to finish.